And now we want to see here all the books of this author from another database. To do this, we create a new property of type relation, this, and select the book database. Enable this option, then click Add Relation. Now go back to the book page and see that books now link to the author's database. If we click on the empty field, we can select the author from the drop-down list. Select it and select. Now we don't need an author column of type tag, we can hide it or delete it. And now when we click on the author cell, we can select the author and open the author's database item. Let's go to the author database. Again, you can of course use don't wrap column, but you can also use rollup. To do this, create a new property of rollup type and link it to the book table. Select books, okay, edit property, then select the status and click on calculate. Then count per group, we select complete and see the statistics of books read relative to all books by this author. Thank you very much for watching to the end. I wish you strong relationships with the people around you. Good luck and see you soon.